All right, guys. Well, it's been taking a while, but finally got all the plastic on here. The trash bags work pretty good. Yeah, it's a little bit odd, but they actually turned out working pretty good. So I just wiped it down with lacquer thinner. So I want to get started. I'll explain a little bit more at the end why I'm doing this and some of the other things that we've been doing. So I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys. So we got the primer on here, and yeah, overall it turned out pretty good. Yeah, it's far from perfect, but overall pretty good. I didn't have quite enough primer, so I couldn't get a solid coat on it, and so had to run and get some, and the first coat kind of dried, so it's a little rough some places, but hey, it is what it is. It's gonna be white, it's on the inside, so it's gonna be 100 times better than it was before, so I'm super excited with how that's coming out. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do down there. You can see how it was patched at some spots there, so thinking about maybe just painting it black in there, or I don't know, putting some wood in there. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Figure out how that looks when I'm done. I don't need to worry about that right now. Also, the garbage bag setup actually is working fantastic. It's holding up really good, so that's awesome. So yeah, we'll get the base coat of white on here, and yeah, we'll see how that looks. All right, guys, so I have some downtime now. I wait for the paint to dry, so I'm gonna try cleaning up this carpet here. This is the first time I actually even had it out and really checked it out, and I'm actually pretty impressed with it. I just soaked it in a multi-purpose cleaner, and so yeah, let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna pressure wash it now, and we'll see what happens, but it should clean up pretty nice. It's a little dirty there, but not bad at all. So I just pressure washed this, and it seems like it turned out pretty good. The front here, which was like the worst, that cleaned up really nice. So I might have to hit a few of these spots by hand yet to get them a little bit better. I try not to go too close, especially in the back here. It's starting to separate in the carpet right here, so try to be really careful with that. But the fronts were pretty good, so yeah, I blasted that real good. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like when it dries. We're gonna head back down there before it gets totally dark here, and we'll get the clear coat put on there so it can dry till tomorrow. And yeah, super excited for what's coming up here. I think next week I'm gonna start putting the car back together. Been trying to figure out some issues like why the tack isn't working and stuff, but I think for the most part we're getting all that stuff ironed out. So I'll show you guys that next time. Right now we're gonna go put that clear on. All right, let's do this. Guys, we're just getting finished up here right in time as it's getting dark outside. I am super happy with how this is turning out. I can't wait to see how it looks once we have all the tape and all the plastic off, and once it's dry we can get outside. I'm not quite happy. Yeah, that primer, I messed that up and it kind of left a mark. I could have wet sanded it, but I was too lazy. I'm like, well, it's in the back here anyhow, so it's in the inside, so I'm not super worried. But I am really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, I'll show you guys next time what it looks like. So the whole reason, if you don't know why we're doing this, is just because it's missing the trunk mat anyhow. It's supposed to be on the sides and on the bottom here, so it's also missing the headliner. Other than that, I have just about everything on the whole interior. So yeah, so that's good, but yeah, I wasn't quite sure what to do here. And then on Facebook, I saw a guy with a MK1 GTI like this that he had shaved everything. He had put like carbon fiber panels over all the holes here, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet there. But I was like, well, you know what, this would clean up really nice. I thought it looked cool, so I was like, I'm not gonna bother trying to find these. I do want to still get a headliner, but I thought this would look really nice anyhow. So for now, it's gonna stay like that. I might still end up getting carpet later if I can find some, especially down in this area here because of how that's patched. That looks nasty. So not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet there. I thought about painting it black so it'd blend in better, and then I could put stuff in there, it doesn't scratch it anyhow, or maybe I'll make some kind of cover there. I'm not sure yet, so if you guys have any cool ideas for that, let me know. Other than that, yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I think next time we're going to start putting the interior back in, so I am super excited for that because that's just one step closer to driving it. And yeah, it's coming along really good. So we'll see you guys next time, and hopefully we'll have a dash. Soon we'll have seats, not yet, but I also got, it's not Dynamat, it's a cheap Amazon knockoff, so we'll see how that works out. But I'm going to be putting insulation down on the floor there, so we'll see what that's like. But yeah, I am just super excited. I'm just so happy right now. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.